morning. So today we are going on our first day trip. We are going to Loch Lomond to see the loch, visiting a small village on part of the loch and going to see a waterfall. So super excited about that. It'll be our first day trip in Scotland outside of Glasgow and I can't wait, let's go! For our trip to Loch Lomond, we decided to start at the Falls of Falloch, which is at the north of the loch, and then drive down, stopping off at places which caught our interest along the way. We picked a beautiful sunny day for our trip and the loch looked magnificent. Our drive to the Falls of Falloch from Glasgow was around 45 miles and took just over an hour. The falls are well signposted and there's a small car park at the entrance. We arrived just before lunch and it was pretty busy. On our way up to see the falls, we spotted Inveruglas, which is about a 10-minute drive south from the falls. From the car park, it's a short walk up some steps to the Inveruglas Pyramid, which is a scenic viewpoint overlooking the loch. Hey guys! I'm at Inveruglas Point. Check out the view. It's gorgeous! Look at that! That's Loch Lomond. What are you drinking, Dunks? I'm brewing Scotland, so cliche. Next, we stopped off at Firkin Point, which is another scenic viewpoint. Here, there was a lovely picnic area and it was a nice quiet spot to enjoy the loch. Our last stop was Luss, a really pretty village on the west shore of Loch Lomond. It was super busy when we visited, even though it was midweek. We saw loads of activities available to do here, from kayaking to paddleboarding to jet skiing, but for something a little more relaxed, you can also see the loch on a boat cruise.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome aboard the Lomond.
We didn't book in advance, but just happened to wander onto the pier as the last boat for the day was boarding. How lucky were we? The cruise was a 90-minute round trip down to Balmaha and back and cost about £15 per person. We just paid by card on board. the time we got back from the cruise, which was around 4:15, most of the shops and restaurants close to the pier were closed, except this bistro, which I think is open till around 7ish. What'd you get, Dom?
Scampi and chips.
Scampi and chips, black pudding fritters and nachos. I've got black pudding fritters from a local butcher.